time to change the battery on this Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 7-inch tablet. So order a battery, get these off eBay, get them off Amazon, there's loads of them. This isn't an original, it's a alternative. I think there's just millions of fakes floating around, but yeah, 20th of November 2017, the date on that one. But alright, let's have a look. In the pack you get the tools as well, screwdriver, and you get the plastic bits for splitting the tablet. Basically just taking this piece of plastic off, this white plastic. This one's been off quite a few times. So, but if you look here, there's a slightly, it's like a little indent there. So what we're going to do is try and get this in there. You see how that goes, and then you just levering it slightly, but you're probably better off just running it all along that gap. The other thing to do is don't use knives, because you can damage the internal components. So we just, this one's quite loose like I said, but you just run it all the way along. It gets a bit tighter here. There we go. And then that cover comes off. In here's the battery. Now this one, there's quite a few screws missing, but I've just got one in there, but you should have one in there and one in there as well. So it's just undo the screws. You probably are better off doing this on a table, because if you lose these screws, they're very hard to find. Let's drop one there. So once you've taken all the screws out, and in my case just the two, we want to lift this out carefully. And it will just, where the battery goes into the connector, it will just pop out. You can just put the screwdriver under there and just lift it up gently to pull that out. So the other two batteries, the connectors are all in the right place. This old battery, out of interest, is about 5 years old. Yeah, about over 5 years old, so that's done pretty well. It's just a case of pushing that in, I think. So maybe just a bit fiddly getting that connector in. There we go. So just placed it on top and then pushed it in. Alright. The lineup doesn't seem that good on these. That's there. Ah, okay. It's just a bit more of a snug fit, that one. Right, and we put the screws back in. So it's a really easy job, this. If you want to do something a bit more complex, like the USB charging port, that's a bit of a different story. I'm not sure things like the screw holes are lining up too well on this one. one seems okay. That's okay. That one didn't seem to work that well. That's it, it's in. Just pushed it a bit harder. Right, and then you just pop all this back on. And just push down and it all clips. If it doesn't clip properly into place, just get that tool and pull it all off again. But yeah, that's that. And then with power on, don't think there'd be much charge in this battery. And that's it. That's how to change the battery on a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. Most of the others are the same sort of process really. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe and leave any comments if you want to. Thanks, bye.
Mummy, he's stuck in the roof. Side flip and back flip. He wouldn't want to see it. He's staring his pants now. It's really, really funny. Hello, funny man. Kids, see how funny it is? It is so hilarious. Look. It's like Spider-Man doing back flips and front flips. See? He's unstickable. See? He does 4-leg crouch. See?